Welcome to Miss Marvelous. This is Urja, and today I'm going to tell you about a situation that most of us can relate to. We all have experienced that little fear and anxiety when you join a new school or go to a new college or go to a family function where you don't know anybody or even before talking to any other stranger. It's no big deal. It's happened to you, it's happened to me, and it happens to everybody else. When I first joined my new school, I really did not know how to talk in English fluently. Coming from a Kutchi Gujarati background, nobody knows how to talk in English in my family. And so I had that Gujarati accent while talking in English. So obviously I did not have the confidence to go and chit chat with other people and make new friends who knew English very well and had their own groups, and they used to laugh and talk, and I used to sit there quietly and wonder what to do in life. And I'd rather not talk about how I used to look before, but that is another thing. But then, how long? How long would you sit out there in that corner and then just look at other people talking? Eventually, you develop that confidence to go and talk, and you actually gain that self-respect and that self-confidence that it's okay if people laugh. At least I know that I tried. And here I am today, from sitting in one corner at one point of time in my life. Today I'm talking to hundreds and millions of people. How? How do you do that? You know what the problem is? We feel insecure because we think that everybody else is perfect. But remember, everybody else is just a human being just like you. And perfect? God, nobody is perfect. So whenever you feel that insecurity and fear while looking at somebody else, just say this to yourself. These people are humans too, which means they're not perfect. Nobody is. They too think and feel the same way like you do. They are not God. Believe me, just saying this to yourself will make you feel less insecure and take that fear away and give you that little tinge of confidence to go and approach and communicate with those people. And if you still find it difficult to go and approach and take that first step, even after saying all those things to yourself, do one thing. Just pretend. Just act that you're confident and you don't care about the person or the world or whatever they think about you. Just pretend that you're confident and go take that one step and approach them, and trust me, you will actually become a confident person. You know, like the secret of attraction and all that, it actually works and it's magical. Try it. So that was the one hack that helped me to overcome the insecurity and fear of approaching strangers or new people or going to new places where you don't know anybody. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also if you've got any other suggestions or queries, please comment below or email me at loveurju@icloud.com. Have another wonderful day.